This is Canon's 15 to 35mm RF lens. This lens has a special control ring that lets you quickly change settings by touch without opening menus. Here is a control ring. Think of it as an extra dial built right into the lens. It lets you adjust settings with your left hand while keeping your right hand on the shutter. This ring is separate from the focus ring and zoom ring. Now let's set it up on the Canon R6 camera body. Please keep in mind menu steps may look slightly different on other cameras. Press the menu button here. At the top you will see all the main menu tabs. Go to the custom function tab. Find and select customize dials. Here you will see options for the main dial, quick control dials and the control ring. Select the control ring. This highlights the position of the control ring on the lens. Now choose the function you want it to control. Options include ISO, aperture, shutter speed, exposure compensation, white balance, autofocus settings, and more. For this example, let's set it to ISO since the R6 already has dials for aperture and shutter. Let's try this now. Switch the camera to manual mode. This is optional. Right now, the ISO is 320. Turn the control ring. You will see the ISO value change. Simply turn the ring and the camera adjusts the setting for you. Each RF lens with a control ring can be set up individually, so swapping lenses won't change your setup. It's a great feature to have, and making use of it is highly recommended.